Hello, welcome to my channel. 2 cups of flour. 1 cup is 200 milliliters. Let's make a well in the middle of the flour. Slightly less than 1 cup of water, as shown in the video. Two teaspoons of sugar. Half a pack of yeast, 5 grams. 1 teaspoon salt, optional. And let's mix. Let's start kneading the dough. Let's knead the dough thoroughly for 4 to 5 minutes until it is smooth. Let's get a hard dough. Let's cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, let's place the dough on the table. Let's fold the dough. Let's divide the dough into 4. Let's make 4 dough balls. Let's cover it and let it rest for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, let's roll out the dough balls with our hands to 10 centimeters. And roll it into a roll, 15 centimeters. And let's put it aside. Let's cover it and let it rest for 15 minutes. 1/4 cup of molasses, 50 milliliters. 3/4 cup water, 150 milliliters. And let's mix. And let's put roasted sesame seeds in a large bowl. Let's put oil on the table. 15 minutes later, let's take the first dough we made. Let's shape the dough by rolling it with our hands as in the video. Let's get a dough that is 60 centimeters long, 3 spans. The edges of the dough should be a little thick. Let's shape it like in the video. and let's put it aside. Let's give the other dough a similar shape. Let's first put the dough into the molasses and water mixture. Then let's cover every part of the dough with plenty of sesame seeds. And let's put it aside. Let's cover it and let it rest for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, let's stretch the dough a little by turning it in our hands as in the video. And let's put it on a tray lined with baking paper. Let the dough rest on the tray for 5 minutes. Let's bake in a preheated oven at 190 degrees / 380 Fahrenheit. Increase the heat to 200 degrees / 390 degrees Fahrenheit for the last 10 minutes. Amazing recipe. Crunchy. And now, testing time. Tasting time. Very delicious. Everyone will love it. Bon appétit. If you liked the recipe and the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.